In this video, I'm going to show you how to make professional ASMR videos without needing Google Veo 3. These videos are trending nowadays and getting millions of views. I'm going to walk you through every step to build the same high-quality results from scratch. These tools are free to use. You'll also see how to prepare your videos perfectly for TikTok and YouTube formats.
Hit the bell icon, subscribe my channel for amazing videos.
Step 1. Open ChatGPT and click the Explore GPTs tab. Search for the GPT and write "Make ASMR images" and prompt and select it. This tool helps you generate creative ideas and ready-made prompts in seconds. Go ahead and click Start Chat. Inside the chat, type the name of an object plus a color, for example, lemon yellow color or grape purple color. The GPT will instantly reply with a detailed prompt describing your object in a realistic, ASMR-friendly style. Next, it will ask if you'd like to generate the image right away. Just type yes to proceed. Then you'll pick your aspect ratio, YouTube or TikTok format. Let's select YouTube to start. If you'd like to tweak anything, such as changing the fruit or adjusting the color, simply type your new request. Copy that prompt. And for higher quality visuals, I recommend using an advanced image generator. You'll find the link to Leonardo AI right in the chat. Inside Leonardo, go to the Models tab and select Lucid Realism. Paste your prompt there and select Generate. This model is excellent for creating clean, realistic images that look amazing in ASMR videos. Once your images are done, download them to your computer. Now let's transform those still images into engaging videos with motion and audio. Inside ChatGPT, you'll see another link that takes you to KLING AI. KLING is perfect for converting images into videos that feel smooth and professional. Click the link to open KLING, then select the Video tab. Under Image to Video, upload one of the images you created earlier. When you're satisfied, click Generate, and KLING will start processing. KLING AI is preparing our video. In the meantime, let's generate images for TikTok. This time we are going to generate prompt for TikTok. Go to ChatGPT chat and write watermelon red color. Write TikTok and repeat the same process. Copy that prompt and go to Leonardo AI and paste that prompt. Go to Custom and select Mobile Ratio 9:16 and hit Generate, and your image will be ready in a few moments. Leonardo AI is doing magic. Let's see KLING AI. You can see how quickly KLING AI created this viral trending ASMR video. Download it. Now we have images ready for TikTok. Let's convert these images into video. Go to KLING AI and insert these images one by one. Select the ratio 9:16 for TikTok. Enter your prompt and hit the Generate button. Shortly, your images turn into stunning video. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions.